Mindray, healthcare within reach. Changing the time on a DMS Central Station KISS or HP tower. Please note the steps do not pertain to an enterprise server. To begin, we will need to verify that this is a central station since the time can only be changed from the master server. Start by selecting Mindray's main menu in the top left of the screen. Select System Information. From the pop-up, verify under Product Type that it says Central Station. If it says Workstation, you will need to locate the Central Station. Once verified, exit out of System Information and go back into Mindray's main menu. Select System Setup. We want to verify next this is the master server. Navigate to the Network tab. Enter the password or contact tech support for further assistance. Verify that the master server address is the same as the local IP address. This indicates you are on the master server. Navigate to the tab named Other. Select Time from the left-hand column. Time synchronization has a couple of options to choose from. If it's set to master server, set it to manual and change the time and date below. If it's set to NTP server, then you will need to call tech support. This is because your time is being served from either an eGateway or NTP server on the network, and you'll need further assistance for synchronization. Once set to manual with the proper date and time, exit out, and your task is now complete. From Mindray, thank you for watching.